Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna see a lesson from 3rd standard, 3rd term, Unit 2, Lesson 2. The title of the lesson is A Stitch in Time. Let me tell you a story. A stitch in time. Oh no! Wails Sham. The seams of his favorite shirt have come apart. Can't wear this shirt anymore, Tata. Of course you can, silly. We can fix it. Tata takes a needle and a blue thread. He shows Sham how to stitch. Sham's friend Veni has come home. Hey Sham, this is me, Veni. Can you please open the door, please? Let's go cycling. In a minute. Let me iron my shirt first. He switches on the iron box, but light doesn't glow and the iron remains cold. Oof, I will just wear the crumpled shirt, grumbles Shyam. I was at the repair shop last week. George uncle was repairing an iron box. I watched what he was doing closely. Let's try to make it work. Do you have a screwdriver? Shyam hunts in the cupboard and gets a screwdriver. Veni unscrews the back of the iron. She scans the inside of the iron. What's wrong? I don't think I can repair it, says Veni. Oh no! Appa and Amma will scold us when they see what we have done to the iron box. We will take it to the repair shop. They will help us, says Shyam. Shyam and Veni take it and sneak out on their cycles to the repair shop. Auntie, can you help us repair this iron box? Veni asks Daisy auntie. What's wrong with it? It won't switch on. Daisy auntie takes out a little box with wires and knobs. This is a multimeter, she says. It checks if all parts of the iron are allowing electric current to flow. She tests all the parts until she comes to a small wire. See this wire next to the plug? It's broken. That's your problem. She cuts out the old wire and plug and fixes a new wire and plug to the iron box. Let's test it. She switches it on and the light glows. The iron is fixed. Veni and Shyam ride back home. It is a day well spent. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe, like and comment. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.